Didn't think of doing this. Last time I loaded everything on I wanted, which is what I should have really done the first time round, but I didn't expect Linux to well, be as problematic as this. Windows, yeah, but Linux, no. So I didn't do anything like, you know, set it all up and back it up, but I did do that on the last install. This is the fourth install, and it's just backing up all the settings and everything that I had prior. There's quite a few programs on now. I know I should say apps, but I'm sorry, I really hate that term. But all programs and things like that are on now. There's quite a lot of them. There's a lot of LibreOffice stuff, Draw, the database thing they do. A lot of stuff I'm very interested to use to see what it's like. So, it's been at it a while. I was doing blog stuff while Ubuntu was transforming again. I just hope that this doesn't turn out to be a waste of time, all this work, because from what I've read about Canonical and what I've read about Ubuntu and what people have told me in the community and people that have deserted them, it doesn't sound very good to me. So let's hope that whatever greedy corporate idiot decided to do the things the way that they did has seen the light, and it will go back to what they liked. I mean, I've not used it, and I haven't had 12.10, so I can't really comment, you know, but when that many people say the same thing, you know, something's normally very, very seriously wrong. So let's hope that it then soon turns seriously right, and everybody's happy again, because I certainly don't like the things that I've been reading. Right, when things start creeping into an operating system to make money, I'm sorry, that's untoward. Just go ahead and charge for the operating system if you must, but don't pull stunts like that. I mean, I don't know whether there's some sort of legislation that stops people from charging for it, I don't know. But, you know, once you've put your thing on it, you can charge them for whatever it is. You don't have to charge for the kernel. If the core is, you know, is a free thing that somebody else is, then just you charge for the layers on top. I don't know, you know, to charge 20 quid for the bloody thing, I'm sure people would be happy to pay it. Except, you know, this free software, yeah, it's okay, it's all well and good and all the rest of it, but, you know, people can't work for nothing. But anyway, this is going back on, and I'm going to leave it there. I'm not attempting to install any ADI drivers. Let's see if I get an email from ADI. I've got a book turning up, which will turn up during the week next week. It's Sunday today. I've got a lot of things to do. I've got a hospital appointment tomorrow. I've got a dental appointment later in the week. I'm not going to fuck about. I'm not going to mess about, sorry, pardon my French, any more, because it will just end up again. It takes up too much time. You know, there's been 4 days of rain and 6 days of messing about with Ubuntu. I could have been spending doing other things and concentrating on the blog, so I don't really mind. I mean, it is kind of fun, but I mean, it gets frustrating at times, obviously, when you've been at it for hours and you're in, well, I'm in pain. It can be frustrating, but that's all part of the fun. But comes a time when you have to say enough's enough. So anyway, Ubuntu 12.04 long-term support version, installation number 4. But this time we're back up.